Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 18, mensuration. In mensuration, area and perimeter of plane figures. So first of all, triangle. From the figure, area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2, base is B and height is H. Now, perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the length of the sides A plus B plus C. Now, rectangle. We have a rectangle. This is the length and this is breadth. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now perimeter of a rectangle is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now third, square. So first of all, draw a square. All sides are equal. We assume A. So area of a square is equal to side square. We can write here A square. Now perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Now fourth point is parallelogram. First of all, draw a parallelogram. This is base, this is height. So area of a parallelogram, base into height, and perimeter, sum of all sides. Now fifth, circle. First of all, draw a circle. This is the center, this is radius. Now area of a circle is equal to pi r square, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14, and circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Let's see few questions from exercise 18.1. Question number 3. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 24 cm and 18 cm. If the distance between longer sides is 12 cm, find the distance between shorter sides. So first of all, draw a parallelogram, and the length of two adjacent sides are 24 cm and 18 cm. And if the distance between longer sides is 12 centimeters, the distance between the longer sides is 12 centimeter, and find the distance between shorter sides. So we assume h. Distance between the shorter sides is, we assume h. Now area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So 24 into 12 centimeter square. Now as the same parallelogram, base is 18 centimeter and height is h. So 18 into height is equal to 24 into 12. So h is equal to 24 into 12 divided by 18. Now after simplification, we have height is equal to 16 centimeter. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 7. From the figure, the area enclosed between the concentric circles is 770 centimeter square. If the radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of inner circle. So radius of the outer circle is 21 centimeter, it is given, and radius of inner circle it is not given, so we assume small r. Now given area enclosed between the concentric circle is 770 centimeter square. Now we have to find the radius of the inner circle. So area of the outer circle, so we can write here area of the outer circle is pi capital R square minus area of inner circle, pi small r square is equal to 770. Now pi will be common, r square minus small r square is equal to 770. Now value of pi is equal to 22 by 7, capital R 21 centimeter, so 21 square minus r square is equal to 770. Now 21 square we can write 441 minus r square 770. 7 is division here, so it's become multiplication, and 22 is multiplication here, so go that side, it's become division. Now after simplification 441 minus r square, after simplification we have 245. Now minus r square is equal to 245 plus 441, go that side, it's become minus 441, so we have minus r square is equal to minus 196, minus minus cancelled out, so we have r square is equal to 196, so r is equal to 14 centimeter. Thus the radius of inner circle is 14 centimeter. That is answer. Now trapezium. So area of a trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of the parallel sides. So parallel sides is A and B, A plus B into height h. Now rhombus. First of all draw a figure. All sides are equal, and this is the first diagonal, we denoted D1. This is the second diagonal, we denoted D2. So area of a rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into the product of diagonals. So D1 into D2. Let's see few questions from exercise 18.2. Question number 4. Find the area of a rhombus whose side is 6.5 centimeter and altitude is 5 centimeter if one of its diagonal is 13 centimeter long. Find the length of other diagonal. So first of all, draw a rhombus whose side is 6.5 centimeter and altitude 5 centimeter. Now area of a rhombus, rhombus is also a parallelogram, so base into height, so 6.5 into 5 centimeter square. So area of a rhombus is 32.5 centimeter square. Now we know that area of a rhombus is 1 by 2 into the product 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, d1 into d2, diagonal first, the product of diagonal, so 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, area is given 32.5 centimeter square. Now 1 by 2 d1, one diagonal is given 13 centimeter, so we can write here 13 into d2. We have to find the length of other diagonal d2, so 32.5 centimeter square. Now d2 is equal to 32.5 is multiplied by 2 and divided by 13. So after simplification we have 5 centimeter. So the length of other diagonal is 5 centimeter. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 13. Top surface of a raised platform in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So we have a regular octagon, means all sides are equal, and this length is given 15 centimeters. So we have two trapezium, the first trapezium, second trapezium, and this is the rectangle. Now area of the octagonal surface is equal to area of the first trapezium, so 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides, so 15 plus 8 into height is 6 centimeter, plus area of a rectangle, so length into breadth 15 into 8, plus area of the second trapezium, so 1 by 2 into sum of the parallel sides, that is 8 centimeter, so 15 plus 8 into height is 6 centimeter. Now after simplification 1 by 2 into 23 into 6 plus 15 area 120 plus 1 by 2 into 23 into 6. Now 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Now we have 69 plus 120 plus 23 into 3. So we have 69. Now we will add. So we have 258 centimeter square. That is answer. Thank you.